In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate apps in Slack, an essential skill for enhancing your workspace's productivity and connectivity. Before we dive in, let's talk about why integrating apps in Slack can be so beneficial. By adding external applications, you can streamline your workflow, automate routine tasks, and bring all your tools into one cohesive space, making everything easily accessible to you and your team. Now, let's get started on how you can make this integration happen. First, ensure you're logged into your Slack workspace. This is the hub where all the magic happens, and it's important that you have the necessary permissions to add new apps. If you're not sure whether you have these permissions, it's a good time to contact your workspace admin. Once you're in Slack, look to the left sidebar for the Apps section. If it's not immediately visible, don't worry. You simply need to expand by clicking on the More button. Here, you'll find the option to browse Slack's extensive app directory. Click on Add Apps, which will bring you to Slack's app marketplace. Think of this as the App Store or Google Play Store, but specifically for applications that can integrate with Slack. In the app directory, you'll see a comprehensive list of apps categorized for easy navigation. You can also use the search bar if you have a specific app in mind. Let's say, for instance, you want to integrate Google Calendar for scheduling or Zoom for virtual meetings. Type the app's name into the search bar and press Enter. Once you find your preferred app, click on it. This will bring up a detailed page with more information about the app and the specific benefits it brings to Slack. After reviewing the app details, you'll want to click on the Add to Slack button. This is where the integration process begins. Some apps might request additional permissions or require you to sign in with your credentials. Follow the prompts carefully. It's important to read through the permissions requested to ensure you're comfortable with the data shared between Slack and the app you're integrating. Confirm these details and complete the sign-in process if prompted. Once you've given the necessary permissions and signed in, the app will begin integrating into your Slack workspace. You might see a confirmation message indicating the successful addition of the app. At this point, the app might prompt you with a tutorial or tips on how to best utilize its features within Slack. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these instructions to get the most out of your new app. And there you have it, a fully integrated app tailored to boost your team's efficiency and keep your operations running smoothly within Slack. With all tools consolidated and easily accessible, your workspace can now function more seamlessly than ever before. Feel free to explore and add more apps as your team's needs evolve to maximize productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and happy working within Slack.